Hi guys, welcome to a new video in this channel, and in this video we will be covering Sales Cloud and what is sales process. So a Sales Cloud is a CRM platform. You can say it is a core platform that is developed by Salesforce that is designed to help businesses manage their sales process more efficiently. It includes a range of features and tools that are designed to help sales team improve their productivity, like capturing the leads, opportunity management, forecasting, and reporting and analysis. So with Sales Cloud, sales team can manage their sales process from lead generation to closing the deals, all within a single platform. So let's move on to sales process. So what exactly is sales process? So sales process in Salesforce refers to a series of steps, or you can say stages, that guide the sales representative from initial contact with a lead till closing a deal. So it usually based on company's specific sales needs and objectives. So let's see what are these stages or series of steps that our sales representative follow. So the first thing is the lead generation. Then second comes the lead qualification. Once the lead is qualified, the lead is converted into an opportunity that can be a potential customer. Then there will be a proposal or code that will be sent to the customer. And once there will be some negotiation, the deal will be closed. The deal either would be a closed one or closed doors. So these are the steps that typically a sales process follows. Let's see this in action. Let me head over to the work and let's see how we can create a lead and we can see the sales process. So I'm to my developer org. I will just simply create a new lead. I will put in some data very quickly. Now, as you can see, this lead is created. So it is the initial contact when the sales representative captures the lead. Now what we can do, we can convert this lead. So we have the options to convert this lead into account, a contact, and opportunity. So basically, opportunity is optional. We have the checkbox. If we don't want to create an opportunity upon conversion, we can check this box. But we require the opportunity, so we want. So let me head over and convert this lead. So as you can see, that account, contact, and the opportunity is being created. And let me open the opportunity. You can see the data that we have filled on the lead will be passed on this account, contact, and opportunity. So as you can see, there are several stages on opportunity, from prospecting, qualification, need analysis, proposal, price quoting, negotiation, and then finally we can close the deal. So once we connect with the customer, we do some prospection, we do some negotiation, we send a proposal for whatever things we are selling for the customers. So based on that, we can mark the stage. Now I will just head over and mark stages complete. So now you can see that I have marked this as qualified. So let's say I have sent a proposal to the customer, and based on some negotiation, we finally won the deal. What I can do, I can simply click here. I want to close the deal. So we have two stages for this: closed won and closed lost. So I will simply select closed won and will save. So as you can see, we have won the deal, and typically the sales process stages that we have seen, you can see here on this opportunity. So that's it for the Sales Cloud and sales process video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.